helping to apply the right security measures. Activate Zivver manually. Secure Zivver messages can be sent easily. Compose your message as you normally would. Click on the Zivver toggle to activate secure emailing. You can add attachments in the usual way. Just use the normal send button. Activate Zivver automatically. Zivver helps you prevent the biggest cause of data leaks, human error. Zivver mainly uses intelligent, out-of-the-box machine learning-based business rules. Secure mailing can be automatically activated when sensitive information is found in message or attachments. In this case, medical information was found and Zivver was activated, based on company policy. Once again, you have the option to add sensitive attachments in the usual way. Read status and revoking. With Zivver you can check which recipients have read a message. Click on the envelope icon. You can also check this per attachment by clicking on the information icon. This insight is important to understand if you have revoked on time and prevented a data breach. You can easily revoke Zivver messages, including their attachments. Decide whether you want to revoke the message for the recipient or for yourself, and when or immediately. All actions are recorded in the logging.